Drag this white button to the right and the TRX mining will start. Today, paid 377 Tron coin to its users. And this new TRX mining site will pay you $10 for simply registering yourself on this site. And the registration on this TRX mining site is completely free. This TRX mining site experts have 3 years of work experience in TRX cloud mining and other crypto mining. This is completely certified company and it provides quick withdrawals to its users. That is the reason why they have 100,000 plus active members on their site. Also, they have paid over $98,000 of coins to their users. Although, the site has paid plans also, but if you watch till the end of this video, I will show you how to get TRX for free on this site. This website supports Tron cloud mining, which is a good feature because you just have to start Tron mining once, and after that you can close the site, and this site will still continue to mine TRX coin for you. And the good thing is that you can mine Tron TRX on your computer, laptop, or on your mobile device using this new Tron mining site 2022. The name of this site is cldinvest.io. But don't worry, you don't have to invest anything on this site. This video, we will do cldinvest review. cldinvest is a registered company with 3 years experience in the cloud solutions market, and they provide the best security to their users on their site. The good thing is that they have 24/7 support team available to help you. cldinvest is the best TRX mining website out of several TRX mining sites, and if you click on latest withdrawals, you will be able to see the coins withdrawn from cldinvest today. The process is simple. Just create your account, top up your balance for free, confirm the coin you want to mine, and withdraw the coins you mine. There are different coins which you can mine, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, etc. But in this video, we will focus on TRX mining today. The thing I like the most about this site is that cldinvest gives you $10 to register on their site. To register yourself on this site, click on registration, and on the next page, fill in your email, create your password, and repeat your password. Then check on this box and click on register. The dashboard of cldinvest will look like this. Here you can see the gigahertz per second, which is a speed measuring unit. Also, they have credited you with a sum of $10. And cldinvest will provide you 1000 GHz speed, which you can use to mine different coins available on the site. But we will do TRX mining today. You can mine only one cryptocurrency at a time. The more gigahash power you have, the faster you will be able to mine. And the best thing is that on cldinvest you can increase your gigahash speed for free without investing any money. And I will show you 2 free methods to increase your gigahash speed. So like this video because it motivates me to share latest and working methods to make money online. Also, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you can be one of the first to use these methods and thus make the most money. Okay, so let's start with TRX mining first. For this, you have to come to the Tron coin option. Here you will find a white button, and under this, you can see 0%. You have to hold this button and drag it to the right. After that, it will be showing you 100% here. This means that all the gigahash power you have, which is 1000 gigahash power in this case, it will all be used in TRX mining. Once you set this mining to TRX mining, this will continue to mine the same TRX coin until and unless you manually stop this mining. And the good thing is that because this website supports Tron cloud mining, you don't even need to keep the site open for this mining. You can close this site and this site will still continue TRX mining for you. And if you want to check how much you will earn in an hour, in a day, or in a month with your mining power, you can check that in the show statistic. To check this, you have to refresh your page once. And again, when you click on show statistic, you can see how much you will earn in an hour, in a day, and in a month from TRX mining using the site. And like this, you have to start your free TRX mining on cldinvest. Now to increase your gigahash power you have 2 free options. First option is to use the gigahash power provided by cldinvest to mine your GHS speed. For this you have to follow the same process by dragging this white button to the right. And by doing so, you will be mining more gigahash power using your current gigahash speed. But this option is not the best option for you, because if you start mining your gigahash power using your current gigahash speed, then you won't be able to mine any other coin, like Tron cloud mining. The best option for increasing your GHS power is to use the referral link program of cldinvest. Don't skip this part because it is going to be very easy to increase your GHS power using this option, and you will be able to mine TRX faster, which will give you very profitable returns over time. Now click on referral link, and it will take you to the next page. Then scroll down till here, and you will find your referral link over here. You can share this link with anyone who is interested in mining crypto. And don't worry, I will show you where you have to share this link for free to get unlimited traffic to your link, which will make you profits using TRX mining. Now, whenever someone will create a free cldinvest account using your link, you will be credited with 3 cents in your Dogecoin option, which you can withdraw anytime. Also, your GHS mining power will be increased by 3 GHS units. It doesn't matter whether they deposit any amount to cldinvest or not, you will still get these 2 benefits for free. And if some of your referrals deposit any amount to cldinvest, you will get 12% commission on level 1 and 5% commission on level 2. For example, all the users you will refer will be counted under your level 1. And when your level 1 users will refer other users, they will be counted under your level 2. From your level 1 users deposit, you will get 12% commission, and from your level 2 users deposit, you will get 5% commission. The more users join through your link, the more profit you will make, and the faster you will be able to withdraw your profit from this TRX mining site. Before I show you how to promote your referral link for free, let me show you the withdrawal process of cldinvest.com. For this, you have to click on dashboard option on the top of this website. Then on the dashboard, scroll down a little bit till you see the withdrawal money option on the left-hand side. Click on it, and you will be taken to this page. Once you are on this page, I suggest you to check the minimal withdrawal limit for the cryptocurrency that you want to withdraw from the site. You will be able to find the minimum withdrawal limit of all the currencies under this option. As you can see, to withdraw TRX from cldinvest, you have to mine 150 or more TRX coin to take withdrawal from the site. And I will show you how you will be able to mine 150 TRX coin faster on cldinvest in a minute. Once you hit the minimum withdrawal balance, in select currency, you have to choose the Tron coin out of different currencies available. After you select, you will be able to see your current Tron coin balance here. And when you will have 150 or more Tron coin, you will enter your amount in this box, and in the next box, you will enter your Tron wallet address. Then, you will click on withdraw option here. After that, your withdrawal request will be shown here in process, and you will get your amount in your wallet in minimum 30 minutes, and in maximum 48 hours. From my experience, you will be able to get your withdrawal within 24 hours on this TRX mining site. I will show you a TRX withdrawal proof from this site in some of my next videos. So, subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you won't miss that video. Now, the withdrawal process for other currencies will be the same. Your referral link will help you to mine 150 Tron coin and to take your withdrawal from this site. For this, I want you to come over to Google and search for Bitcoin. Now, select the images option, and it will show you many Bitcoin images. Then, select the tools option, and select Creative Commons license from here. I want you to select some catchy image, like the first one. Right-click on this image, and save this to your computer. Now, I want you to come over to the site, imgur.com. Imgur is a new social media website that not many people know about, and more than 218 million people visit this site every month. You can check more data about this site on similarweb.com. Now, I want you to sign up on this site by submitting some simple information, and then sign into the site. The dashboard of this site will look like this. Now, click on New Post to create a post. On this page, click on Choose Photo or Video, and upload the image we downloaded from Google. Then, give this post some catchy title, like Mine 1 Bitcoin every 45 minutes for free using the site. And in the description, copy-paste the same title. Then copy a referral link from cldinvest, and paste it here. After that, add some tags here, like Bitcoin, Bitcoin mining, etc. Then, click on Post to Community, and select Post Publicly. And now, imgur.com will share your post to the related audience. Some of them will message you for more information, and most of them will join through your link, and you will earn more Dogecoins and GHS power, which you can use to mine Tron coin faster, and to take withdrawal quickly from cldinvest. That's it for today, and if you want to make more money, then click on the Best Make Money Online video playlist, because here I have included only those videos which can help you to make big money online.